Changing your phone number on PayPal is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the PayPal app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings icon, usually represented by Go symbol, to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Phone Numbers. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Phone Numbers or Contact Information to view your current phone numbers. Step 4. Edit your phone number. Choose the phone number you wish to change and select the option to edit or update it. Enter your new phone number in the provided field. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new phone number, make sure to save your changes. You may be asked to verify the new number through a confirmation code sent via SMS. By following these steps, you can successfully update your phone number on PayPal. Make sure to keep your contact information current for security and account recovery purposes.